Hi everyone, welcome back to Contemplating Adult Rise and Shine. सुबह के बज रहे हैं 7:45 and yes, I'm awake and today is a special day. It's the white coat ceremony, not the white ceremony. It's the white coat ceremony and me and 8 other friends, future friends of mine from college, we are all singing the opening song on the white coat ceremony. So we're gonna leave a little bit early for the ceremony. So I'm all ready so it's a special day, so I'm wearing white dresses. You'll see the dress. I'll definitely try to record everything. And yeah, so first day of college, people, it's starting and it's a good hair day. I feel good. रात में अच्छी नींद आई है. Let's have my breakfast and I'll see you guys. Bye bye. Hi everyone, so this is the lecture theatre, first year MBBS, MKCG Berhampur. And I'm all alone in this huge lecture theatre because मैं पहले आ रही हूँ. First now practice के लिए, but still I got to see this. So okay, bye. Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to Content. No, introduction नहीं चाहिए. Anyways, we're backstage at the auditorium of MKCG. And we were just practicing our opening song and it's gonna be really good because all of my college friends are great singers and right now we're gonna meet all of them, so let's get ready. Okay, hi everyone, introduce yourself. These are my college friends, the future doctors from MKCG, everyone. Okay, everyone introduce yourself. Who's gonna start first?
Myself, Krishna Siddhapanda.
And where are you from?
I'm from Zzqc.
What? You're a great singer, we know that, but please tell us something about yourself.
Actually, my 12th is from Kanpur and my hobby is singing, of course.
She's a great singer, guys. I can tell you that. I can confirm that.
Myself Subhra. I am from Berhampur, mostly 90 kilometers from Berhampur. Also, my hobby is singing. Although not I am a pro singer, but I will manage it.
She's lying, guys. She knows how to sing.
Hello, myself Sadhana. I am from Puri. I know a little bit of singing.
She does know how to sing. Everybody is such great singers. They're all lying that they cannot sing.
Hi, I'm India. I'm from Bhubaneswar and obviously my hobby is singing.
She's a trained singer. Tell us about that. Tell us.
I've been trained for Hindustani classical music for more about 10 years in my childhood. And my mom is a classical music teacher.
Wow.
She teaches me and she is my teacher.
You know what is the best thing, everyone? Room में AC है. बच गए. Okay, hi everyone. We got another singer right here and she's gonna introduce herself right now. She's looking really beautiful and I'm gonna hand it over. Introduce.
I am Pallavi and I am from Bhubaneswar. So she said me to give my introduction.
And what are your hobbies and passions?
My hobbies are like, I like to sing, I also draw sometimes. Actually, not sometimes, I draw. I'm like a bit of professional. I draw Pattachitra paintings and also I sing good. I have been a classical training for about 15 years.
Everybody is talented here. Everybody. Okay, so sorry to interrupt the video in between, but right here in this video, I'm going to put a clip of us singing the actual song. Okay, and just a small clip. And if you actually want, and sorry for the background noise because I'm in the hostel. I can't really control the background noise here. And I'm going to put the full clip or the link to the full video of the opening. Not only the opening song of the white coat ceremony, but for the entire white coat ceremony of MKCG 2023 batch. If I can find the link, I will definitely put it in the description so you can find it there if I can find it. So yeah, enjoy this small clip.
Guna
Here is also a small clip of our dean, vice principal, principal, of our HODs doing the lighting thing ceremony. So yeah. Okay, I'll not tell you. This is also, should I say a picture or a clip? A small clip? No, it's not a clip. It's a picture of us, like me and the girls who were singing, and Dr. D. Shobha Malini, who is a faculty at MKCG for community medicine. So this is us, it's just a pic of us, practicing our song, and she helped us coordinate everything. Then we had like our welcome speeches from our dean, principal, vice principal, of all of our HODs of departments, of different departments, and SBI people who sponsored the event, the white coat ceremony event at MKCG. And here is a pic of me and dad in front of the academic block on 8th October, the day before the white coat ceremony. And this is us taking the oath, but it wasn't the Hippocratic oath, but something similar. So I'm going to put it right here. And this is me after the white coat ceremony. On the way to the hostel, I can assure you the smile disappeared from my face on seeing the hostel. But yeah, whatever. Everybody's facing the same situation. And also, this is what the sign, that the I love MKCG sign looks like at night. And that's it. See, I know I haven't been posting, I did post last week. So I'm gonna post, I know I kind of posted this white coat ceremony video, but later than I was supposed to, but I had my reasons, and this in part of the internet belongs to me, so whatever. I'm gonna do whatever I want. And so finally I finally completed editing it, and I'm gonna release it. And yeah, I'm gonna try and make future videos. I'm gonna try, because God, I did not know that MBBS was this hectic, but yeah, I'm gonna try and do that. And yeah, see you guys next week with another video, hopefully, because I'll definitely put out another video next week, because I'll be going home for vacations. And what else? Yeah, if you like this video even a little bit, don't forget to like, share with your friends and family, or whoever you think might find it helpful, and subscribe to Contemplating Adult to join the family, because you definitely want to be part of the Contemplating Adult family. And also follow my Bookstagram club at the Contemplating Adult Book Club on Instagram for monthly recommendations for fiction and non-fiction books. That's it. See you. Bye.